Hey, what's up? It's Madeline. I am an author, wine expert, and founder of Wine Folly, and I'm delighted to introduce to you Wine Folly Club. It's a tasting group with myself, with our head director of education, our club curator, and more. Each month, you will receive a collection of wines, highly curated, selected, obsessed about wines by ourselves that we're super excited to share with you from unique places around the world. We will get into these wines together in finer detail, and you'll expand your palate as you learn more about wine. Now, this club has many perks, special offers, first access to things, so much more that I can't say, but what I will say is because we want to feature specially curated wines, there is a limited availability of this club as a whole. So if you're interested, definitely sign up, find out more. This is going to be a fantastic club. I'm super excited to share these incredible wines and the world of wine with you.